Hi everyone, welcome to Infinity Learn by C Chaitanya, and today we'll discuss some important questions of chapter surface area and volumes from NCERT book, right? So are you guys ready for the session? Please let me know in the chat box, and yes, if you are new on the platform, then please like the session, share it, and also subscribe the channel. Okay, theory part we have already finished in the last week, so we will focus on the questions that will be important for your examination. So let's begin, guys. Let us quickly recall the formulas first, because this chapter is totally based on the formula. If you know the formula, then you can solve the questions, right? So let us quickly recall all the formulas. Means let's start with the first solid, that is cube. So in cube there are three formula, that is lateral surface area, means area of four walls, total surface area, that is area of all faces, and volume, right? So in the case of cube, length, breadth and height is same. Let us assume LBH is A, right? So lateral surface area means area of four walls. So every wall is area, every face is a square, and area of one square is a square, so it will be 4a square, right? So total surface area, so what will be total surface area? So it will be 6a square, means area of all the faces, right? Total 6 faces are there, so it will be 6a square, and the volume is L into B into H, that is A into A into A, which is A cube, right? So this is the formula to find the volume of the cube. One more thing is find the length of diagonal. So length of diagonal is D is equal to root 3 into side, which is A, right? So this is the all formula that we use for solving the questions based on cube, and cube is an example of prism. Now the next one is cuboid. So let us assume the dimension of cuboid is LBH, though the first formula is lateral surface area. So what is the formula to find the lateral surface area? So 2HL plus B, means area of four walls. Total surface area, so 2 times of LB plus BH plus LH, and volume. So volume is L into B into H, right? So this is the formula that we use for solving the question based on cuboid. One more formula is there, that is length of diagonal. So the length of diagonal is square root of L square plus B square plus H square. Okay guys, now the third shape is cylinder. So right circular cylinder means cylinder should be perpendicular to the base, and yes, both ends should be circle, then we use this formula. Okay, so let us assume this is cylinder, which is a right circular cylinder. Its radius is R and height is H. So the first formula is curved surface area, where here we use curved surface area instead of lateral surface area, because in cylinder lateral faces or side faces are curved, right? So we'll use curved surface area. So curved surface area is 2 pi RH. Total surface area is curved surface area plus area of the top, which is pi r square, and area of the bottom, which is also a pi r square. So once you add this, so you will get 2 pi r H plus R, 2 pi r H plus R, and the volume is pi r square H, means base area into height. The fourth solid is cone. So how will form the cone? So cone is formed by using the sector of a circle. If we fold the sector across the radius, then we will get a cone, right? So, and this is a right circular cone. Right circular means cone means this is perpendicular, radius and height is perpendicular, right? And the base is circular. So in this case there are two height. One is vertical height, that is simply called as height, and another height is slant height, right? And the slant height is represented by L. So this is slant height, this is height, and this is radius. Since this is right circular cylinder, so this angle will be 90 degree. So by using Pythagoras theorem, we can find the relation between L, R, H. So the first is L is equal to square root of R square plus H square. Now the second one is curved surface area. Curved surface area is pi RL. CSA is pi RL. Third one is total surface area. So TSA is curved surface area plus area of the bottom, which is pi R square. So pi R L plus R. And the fourth one is volume. Volume is 1 upon 3 pi R square H, right? That is 1 upon 3 of volume of cylinder. If both volume both cylinder and cone have same radius and same height. Now the next shape is, that is sphere. So in sphere, since there is only one face, one type of surfaces in sphere, so we have only one formula that we use for the area. So that is curved surface area and total surface area. So we have only one formula for total surface area and curved surface area, that is surface area only. So area of the sphere is 4 pi r square, because there is only one type of surface, and the volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now the last one is hemisphere. Hemisphere, that is half of sphere, right? So this is a hemisphere, its radius is r, so its height is also r, right? So please note this point, this is very important point. In the case of hemisphere, radius and height are always same. So height will be the radius, right, of the hemisphere. Since there are two type of surfaces, curved surface and flat surface, so there will be two different formula for area. The first one is curved surface area. So curved surface area is pi r is 4 pi r square divided by 2, because this is the area of complete sphere. So the area of curved surface area of hemisphere will be half of area of sphere, which is 2 pi r square. Second one is total surface area, TSA, that is curved surface area plus area of the top. Once you add them, so we will get 3 pi r square. Now the third one is volume. So volume is half of volume of sphere. So if you divide by 2, so you will get 2 by 3 pi r cube. So these are the formula that you should know before solving the questions from chapter surface area and volume, right? Without formula, you will be incomplete, right? You cannot solve the question, that's it. So let's start with the question part, guys. If you have any doubt in any formula, then I can explain. Please write in the comment section. Yes, please go through the formulas first. So these are the formulas. So let's move to the question part. So the first question is, the floor of a rectangular hall has a perimeter 250 meter. Okay. If the cost of painting the four walls at the rate of rupees 10 per meter square is rupees 15,000, find the height of the hall. You have to find the height of the hall. How will do this? So what is the shape of the hall? Cuboid, right? And the question is based on the surface area of the cuboid. Okay. So let us write the important information which is mentioned in the question, guys. So the first information is, the floor of a rectangular hall has a perimeter of 250 meter, right? So floor means length and breadth, right? So let us assume this is the floor, this is the rectangular hall, okay, and this is the floor. Basically this will not be the floor. Yes. This is the floor, right? So let us assume this is L, this is B, and this is H, right? So what is the perimeter of floor? 250. And how will find the perimeter of floor? So this is a rectangle, and we know that perimeter of rectangle is 2L plus B. So 2L plus B is 250. So from here you can find the value of L plus B. So L plus B is 250 divided by 2, and 250 divided by 2 is 125. This is L plus B. If the cost of painting the four walls at the rate of rupees 10 per meter square is rupees 15,000. So let us find the area of four walls first, right? So what will be the area of four walls? Area of four walls, that is also called as lateral surface area. So the total cost divided by the cost of 1 meter square. This is the total cost, 15,000, divided by cost of 1 meter square, which is 10. So once you simplify this, you will get 1500 meter square. Okay, so this is the area of 4 walls. You can check, if you multiply by 10, then we will the total cost, which is 15,000, right? Now by using these two information, you have to find the height. So simply L plus B is known, lateral surface area is known, so write the formula of lateral surface area of a cuboid. So what is the formula to find the lateral surface area of a cuboid, guys? So lateral surface area is given, which is 1500, and we know that lateral surface area is 2HL plus B is 1500, right? So from here H will be 1500 upon 2 times of L plus B. This will go in the division part, and 2 times of L plus B is given, which is 250, right? So this is 250. So 1500 upon 250. So once you simplify this, guys, you will get 6 meter. So height of this hall is 6 meter. Hopefully this is clear to everyone. Is there any doubt to anybody? Please let me know in the comment section so that I can explain again. All clear? All right. So let's move to another question. Yes. So let us read the question first. The slant height and base diameter of a conical tomb are 25 meters. So this is the slant height and base diameter. See, guys, this is important. Base diameter is given. So the radius will be, so diameter is 14 meter. So the radius will be 7 meter, right? And this is the slant height, which is 25 meter. Find the cost of whitewashing its curved surface at the rate of rupees 210 per 100 meter square. Means what is given? Cost of 100 meter square is given, which is rupees 210, right? So this is the cost of 100 meter square. Okay, so let us find the curved surface area, because we have to find the cost of whitewashing its curved surface, right? So what is the formula to find the curved surface area? That is pi RL. L is given, R is given, so we can find the curved surface area. So what is given, guys? Slant height is given, which is 25 meter, right? Radius is 7 because diameter is 14. We know that curved surface area of cone is pi RL. So pi is 22 by 7, slant height is 25 and the radius is 7. So this 7 get cancelled out. So it is 22 into 25. So once you multiply this, guys, so you will get 25 into 5 is 110 and 22 into 2 is 44. 44 plus 11 is 55. Okay, so 550 meter square. So this is the curved surface area. Means we have to find the cost of whitewashing of this much area, right? And what is given? Cost of 100 meter square is rupees 210. This is rupees 210. So what will be the cost? Unitary method, cost of 1 meter square is 210 divided by 100. Hence the cost of 550 meter square. So it will be 210 into 550 divided by 100. So this 00 get cancelled out. So the final answer will be, so the total cost will be 21 into 55. So 55 ones are 55 and 55 into 2 is 110 and 110 plus 5 is 115. So this is the total cost. Okay. So this is the total cost. Hopefully this is clear to everybody. So these are quite easy question. The question become easy if you know the formula, that's it. So the first thing is try to learn all the formulas, okay, and you should know how to apply the formula, when curved surface area will be used, when total surface area will be used, and when volume will be used, right? So for curved surface area, it will be mentioned like 4 walls, curved part, okay. So these keyword will be mentioned in the question and accordingly you have to choose the formula, okay. Any doubt, guys? All right. So let's move to another question. A hemispherical ball made of brass has inner diameter 10.5 centimeter. So this is diameter. Find the cost of tin plating it on the inside at the rate of rupees 16 per 100 centimeter square. Yes. So inner diameter is known, so we can find the inner radius. And since what we have to find the cost of tin plating it on the inside. Means tin plating is done inside the ball, right? So let us assume this is the ball. Okay. So we have to do the plating inside the ball here. So we will use inner cut surface area, and for that radius is known. And what is the diameter? So diameter is 10.5 guys. Diameter is 10.5 and 10.5 is also 105 by 10, right? So once you simplify this, you will get 21 by 2. Alright, so this is the diameter. So what will be the radius? 21 by 2 into 1 by 2. So you will get 21 by 4. So this will be the radius. So let us find the cut part, area of cut part first. So inner cut surface area will be equal to, inner cut surface area is equal to 2 pi r square. So we will use inner radius. If the question is find the outer cut surface area, then we use outer radius. Since outer radius is not mentioned over here, so no issues. Because yes, question is all about to find the inner cut surface. Okay. So outer radius will be mentioned, our inner radius and thickness will be mentioned. If this inner radius and this is called as thickness, right? This is called as thickness. So if I add inner radius and thickness, then we will get outer radius. Okay. So everything will be mentioned. Okay. Yes. So 2 pi r square. So let us simplify this. So 2 into 22 by 7. R square means 21 by 4 into 21 by 4. So let us simplify this. 7 3s are 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 1 and 11. So we'll get 11 into 3 is 33 into 21 by 4. Right. So 21 into 3 is 63. So once you simplify this, you will get 21 into 3 is 63, right? And 21 into 3 is 63 and 63 plus 6. And what is 63 plus 6? Because we got the carry 6, right? That is 69. So 693 centimeter square. So we have to find the cost of this much area, right? And what is given? Since the cost of 100 centimeter square is rupees 16. This is given in the question. Use unitary method. So what will be the cost of 1 centimeter square, guys? Cost of 1 centimeter square is 16 by 100. Now find the cost of 693 centimeter square. So cost of 693 centimeter square will be 16 into 693 divided by 100. And this will be in rupees. So please simplify this and you will get the right answer. So 16 3s are 48. 16 9s are 144 and 144 plus 4 is 148. So again 8, carry is 14 and 16 6 are 96 and 96 plus 14. So 96 plus 4 is 100, 110. Divide by 100. So let us divide by 100. So we'll get rupees 110.88. So this is the final answer, guys. You can check the calculation, right? If there is error, then you can correct that. Okay. Yes. So hopefully this is clear to everyone. Yeah. Now the next question. So again, this is quite important question and easy as well, right? Yes. The diameter of moon is approximately 1/4 of diameter of earth. So obviously it's obvious, right? Diameter of earth is more than diameter of the moon. Okay. Yeah. Find the ratio of their surface area. So let us assume, let diameter of earth is d1. Instead of d1, let us write a d earth, right? D earth, de. D stand for diameter of earth, and diameter of moon is d m. So dm stand for diameter of the moon and d stand for diameter of the earth. What is given, guys? Diameter of moon, so according to the question, diameter of moon means dm is 1/4 of diameter of the earth. So 1/4 means 1/4, of means multiplication diameter of earth. Okay, got it. So what will be their ratio? So if you find the ratio, so if you shift this d over here, so it will come in the division part, right? So dm upon d is 1/4, means ratio of diameter of moon and earth is 1:4. Since we have to find the ratio of their surface area, so what is the shape of earth and moon? Spherical, and we know that the formula to find the surface area is 4 pi r square. So let us find the radius. So how will find the radius? So if the diameter ratio of the diameter is 1/4, then obviously the ratio of the radius will be 1/4. Why? Because what is dm? So this dm is 2 times of rm. 2 times of rm, right? Diameter is twice of radius, and this is 2 times of re is 1/4. So both 2 and 2 get cancelled out, so we'll get the same ratio. So the ratio of diameter is same as ratio of radius, okay, which is 1/4. Okay, now we have to find the ratio of their surface area. So what is the formula? So the ratio of their surface area, so area of moon divided by area of earth. So am stand for area of the moon and a stand for area of the earth. So area is 4 pi. So for this we use radius of the moon, which is rm square divided by 4 pi re square. So this 4 pi get cancelled out, so we'll get r square m divided by r square e, which is finally rm upon re whole square. Rm upon re whole square, right? And Rm upon re is already given, which is 1/4. So the ratio of their area means area of moon divided by area of earth is Rm upon re is 1/4. So simply substitute over here. So we'll get 1/4 square. So which is 1/16. So the ratio will be 1:16. So this is the final answer, guys. If you have any doubt, please ask. Go through the solution. All clear? Okay, so let's move to another question. A hemispherical ball is made up of steel 0.25 centimeter thick. So this is thickness, which is T, is 0.25 centimeter. The inner radius of the ball is 5 centimeter. Inner radius is represented by Ri. So Ri is 5 centimeter. Thickness is 0.25 centimeter. Find the outer curved surface area of the ball. So to find the outer curved surface area, we should know the outer radius. And how will find the outer radius? I already told you in the previous question. So let me draw the diagram. So let us assume this is the ball. So this is inner area and this is outer area. Alright. So this inner radius is known. This is inner radius Ri. And this is called as thickness. Right, guys? So if I join these two, so what we will get? This will be the outer radius. So from here we can say that this outer radius Ro will be equal to inner radius plus thickness. So 5 plus 0.25, and that is 5.25 centimeter. So this is the formula, not formula, basic concept, right, to find the outer radius. Question is find outer curved surface area of the ball. So we use outer radius. So outer curved surface area is 2 pi Ro square. So Ro stand for outer radius. Let us put the values over here. So you will get 2 into 22/7 into 5.25 into 5.25. So please simplify this. See, so 2 into 22 is 44, right? So let us simplify this, no? 7 exactly. So this will be 0.7 sevens are 49, then 3 5. So 7 and then 35, 7 5s are 35. So this is 0.35 and 0.35. So this is 0.75 into 5.25. And how will write 0.75? This 0.75 can be written as 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is 0.75. And yes, this is 5.25. Got it? 0.75 is 3 by 4 if you convert in the fraction, right? So this will get cancelled out. So 11 into 3 into 5.25. Let us multiply these two first. So we'll get 11 into 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 is 7, 3 5s are 15. So 15.75. So let us multiply by 11. So 11 5s are 55, 11 7s are 77, 77 plus 5 is 82. 8. 11 5s are 55, 8. So 55 plus 8 is 63. 6. 11 ones are 11, 11 plus 6 is 17. So let us put the decimal at 2 place from the left hand side. So 173.25 unit will be centimeter square. So this will be the final answer, right? Again guys, please check the calculation. Okay, so this will be the final answer. 173.25 centimeter square. Okay, so if you know the formula, then you can solve the question. So again I will say, learn the formula first before solving the question, right? Otherwise you will lose the interest in this chapter, that's it. Okay, so again this is NCERT question. A child playing with building blocks which are of the shape of cubes has built a structure as shown in the figure. If the edge of each cube is 3 centimeter, means A is 3 centimeter, right? Find the volume of structure built by the child. So this is quite easy question, right? So first of all, how will do this? We have to find the volume, right? So what we will do, guys, simply we will count the number of cube and we will find the volume of one cube. Since all cube are same, right? So we will multiply by its counting. So let us count the number of cube first. So how many cubes are there, guys? Number of cubes. So let us count it layer wise. So in the bottom layer, how many cubes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. Then first layer, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then third layer, 3. Then 2. Then 1 at the top. So this is the total number of cube that is used, right? Okay. Now let us add them. So 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, plus 2 14, plus 1 15. So the number of cubes are 15. So find the volume of the structure. So volume of structure will be number of cube in the structure into volume of one cube into volume of one cube. So the number of cube is 15 and we know very well how to find the volume of cube if the dimension is given. So let us find the volume of one cube. So what will be the volume of one cube? So that is side cube, means A cube, which is 3 cube, and 3 cube is 27 centimeter cube, right? So let us find the volume of a structure. So volume of a structure will be number of cube is 15 into volume of one cube is 27. So let us multiply this and tell me the right answer. So 15 sevens are 105 and 15 twos are 30. 30 plus 10 is 40. So 405 centimeter cube. So this is the final answer. You can check. Okay, so hopefully this is clear to everybody. Any doubt, guys? If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section, right? So let's move to another question. So I have taken all type of question, right? So since there are a lot of exercises and exercises, there are 10 to 12 question, 15 question in every exercises. So what I did, guys, simply I have taken all type of question so that you can solve the remaining questions. Okay? Yes. The capacity of cuboidal tank is 50,000 liter of the water. Okay. Find the breadth of the tank if its length and depth are respectively 2.5 meter and 10.5 meter. So here unit conversion is required. Okay. Unit conversion is required. So how will do this? So what is the formula to find the capacity of cuboidal tank? So we know that capacity of cuboidal tank is LBH. What, guys? LBH. LBH. Okay. Length is 2.5 meter. Length is 2.5 meter. Depth is height, right? Height is, find the breadth, B we have to find out, right? B we have to find out, and depth is basically the height, which is 10 meter. So let us find the capacity of the tank. So capacity of tank will be equal to L into B into H. So let us put the values 2.5 into B into 10, which is 25B, and this will be in meter cube. But guys, what is the problem? This is in meter cube, this is in liter. So before comparing them, before equating them, make sure that unit should be same. So either you can convert this liter into meter cube or this meter cube into liter. So let us convert this meter cube into liter. And we know that if the length is 1 meter, if the length of tank is 1 meter, breadth is 1 meter and the height is 1 meter, then the capacity of tank is 1000 liter. So from here we know that 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. This is the relation that you should know, right? Means if you make a tank of length 1 meter, breadth 1 meter, height 1 meter, then its capacity will be 1000. Okay. So this will be, if you convert, so 1 meter cube is 1000 liter, so this will be 25B into 1000, and now this is liter. So let us equate these two, because the capacity of this tank is 15,000. So according to the question, we can say that 50,000 will be equal to 25B into 1000, right? So this 30 get cancel out. So 50 is equal to 25B, then from here B will be equal to 50 upon 25, and 50 upon 25 is 2 meter. Okay. So again guys, if you know this unit conversion formula to find the capacity of the tank, then nothing is there in this question. You can do this, even everyone can do this if you know this relation and this relation. Okay. One more relation is there, that is, let me write this relation, because that is 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. No. Sometimes we have to use this relation. Means if you make a tank, if you make a box, right, of length 10 centimeter, breadth 10 centimeter and height 10 centimeter, right, then the capacity, then how much milk or water can store that box? That will be 1 liter. So 1000 centimeter cube is 1 liter. Okay. So this is the right answer. Hopefully this is clear to everybody. All right, let us move to another question. So again, this is important question, that is river wala question, right? Yes. A river 3 meter deep, 40 meter wide is flowing at the rate of 2 kilometer per hour. How much water will fall into the sea in a minute? So what is the problem? If the question is find the capacity of the tank, find the capacity of anything whose shape is given, then by using the formula, which is formula to find the volume, we can find the capacity. But what is the problem? How will find the capacity over here? So first of all, identify the shape from where the water is flowing, right? So the shape will be, since what is given, 3 meter deep, 40 meter wide, it means the shape will be LBH, means it should be cuboidal. So this is 3 meter deep, means H is 3 meter, depth is 3 meter, wide means B is 40 meter. What is the problem? One thing is missing, that is length. Okay, so how to find the length if the flow rate is given? That is very important. Flow rate is given. What is the flow rate? Speed of flowing the water, right? So 2 kilometer per hour means water will travel how much distance in 1 hour? So it will be 2 kilometer. So if you want to find the water flow in 1 hour, then L will be 2 kilometer. But what is the problem? We have to find the water will fall in a minute, in 1 minute. So no issues. Let us find the water flow in amount of water flow in 1 hour. Then we can find the amount of water flow in 1 minute. Okay. So how will do this? So let us use the flow rate first. So what is the flow rate, guys? Flow rate of water, that is 2 kilometer per hour, means in 1 hour, length will be, so for 1 hour, not in 1 hour, so for 1 hour length will be 2 kilometer, right? So 1 hour is equivalent to 60 minutes. So 60 minutes is equal to length is 2 kilometer, right? Since the remaining dimension is in meter, let us convert it into meter. So that will be 2 into 1000 meter. Okay, so for 60 minutes it will be 2 into 1000 meter. But the question is how much water will fall in the sea in a 1 minute. So let us find for 1 minute. So for 1 minute, this length will be equal to, for 60 minutes it is 2000 meter, right? So for 1 minute it will be 2000 divided by 60. So this will be 200 by 6 meter. Okay, so the length is known, breadth is known, height is known. You can find the amount of water flow. So amount of water fall in 1 minute. So according to the given time, 1 minute, 2 minutes, what will vary, guys? The length will vary because the flow rate is given, original length is not given, right? So please keep this point in your mind. How to find the length if the flow rate is given? In the case of cylinder, we use this length as height of the cylinder, right? If the pipe is cylindrical. So it will be L into B into H. So we have calculated length for 1 minute, which is 200 by 6. And B is already mentioned in the question, which is 40. And depth is height, which is 3. So 3 2s are 6, 20. So 200 into 20, that is 4000 meter cube. 4000 meter cube, right, guys? You can multiply by 1000 to get the answer in liter. So by thing, but please write the answer in meter cube only, right? Yes. Now the next question, guys. How will do this? So let us read the question first. The inner diameter of cylindrical wooden pipe is 24 centimeter and its outer diameter is 28 centimeter. Length of pipe is 3 centimeter. Find the mass of the pipe if 1 centimeter cube of wood has a mass of 0.6 gram. Means this is called as density, right? This is also called as density. So density is basically 0.6 gram per centimeter cube. Okay. So what is the shape of pipe? So shape is basically a hollow pipe, means hollow cylinder. So we should know how to find the volume of the hollow cylinder. Okay. So let me explain how to find the volume of the hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder means cylinder inside cylinder, right? Cylinder inside cylinder. So this is the pipe, wooden pipe, right? So two things are given. Inner diameter of the wooden pipe is 24 centimeters. So if inner diameter is 24 centimeters, so what will be the inner radius? Ri, 12, half of diameter, and the outer diameter is 28. So the outer radius Ro. Ro stand for outer radius, Ri stand for inner radius. So it will be 14 centimeter. Right, guys? Length of the pipe is 35 centimeter. So length is basically the height, which is 35. So everything is centimeter, no issues, right? But we should know how to find the volume of the hollow cylinder, that is cylinder inside cylinder. Okay, so the mass will be stored over here because it will be inside hollow from the inside part. No? So this will be the mass. Mass is distributed over here and the remaining portion will be hollow. Means you have to find the volume of this part first. Because we know that we have to find the mass. So the mass is distributed over these part only, right, which is shaded by the blue color. How will do this? So exactly, guys, let us recall two concentric circles, right? If I ask what is the area of this portion, that is ring, so what we will do? Area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. Area of outer circle minus inner circle. So similarly, if I ask find the volume of this portion which is shaded by the blue color, which is also called as volume of hollow cylinder. So what we will do? First of all, find the volume of outer cylinder, find the volume of inner cylinder. So if you subtract the volume of inner cylinder from the volume of outer cylinder, then you will get the volume of hollow cylinder. That's it. Okay. So let us write the formula for volume of this pipe. So volume of this pipe will be equal to volume of outer pipe minus volume of inner pipe. So in the case of hollow cylinder, there will be two cylinder, inner cylinder and outer cylinder, that's it. So what is the formula to find the volume of cylinder? That is pi r square h. Since we are finding the outer pipe, so we will use pi Ro square. Ro square means radius of outer, and height is same. See, this height is same. Height will be same for both the cylinder, right? Understood? And this will be the inner radius Ri, and this will be the outer radius Ro, and this will be the height. Minus volume of inner pipe, that is pi Ri square into h. Got it? We can take pi h common out, so we will get a direct formula that will be used to find the volume of hollow cylinder. So this is the formula to find the volume of hollow cylinder, pi h Ro square minus Ri square. Right? So everything is given. So let us find the volume of the pipe first. So let us put the values, guys. So pi is 22/7. H is 35, Ro square is 14, so 14 square, and Ri is 12, so 12 square. So let us simplify over here. So 22/7, let us simplify, so it will be 5. So 22 into 5 into 14 square is 196 and 12 square is 144. So what is the difference of 196 and 144? Difference of 196 and 144, guys. You can do this, na? 50. 2. So 22 into 5 into 52. 6 minus 4 is 2 and 19 minus 4 is 5. So let us multiply this. So we'll get 110 into 52. So if we further multiply, so we'll get 11 2s are 22. 11 5s are 55, 55 plus 2 is 57, okay, 57, and it will be in centimeter cube, okay. What is the question? Find the mass of the pipe. So how will find the mass? So by using this relation. What is the relation? The mass of 1 centimeter cube is 0.6 gram. So what is given? Mass of 1 centimeter cube is 0.6 gram. So this is density, right? So what will be the mass of this much? So the mass of 5720 centimeter cube. So it will be 0.6 into 5720. So multiply this. So the total mass will be 0.6 into 5270. So once you multiply this, guys, you will get 0. 7 6 are 42. 7 6 are 42. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 1 is 31. Okay, and let us put the decimal. So it will be 3162 gram. No, 3162 gram. And how to convert gram into kilogram? So divide by 1000. R. So divide by 1000. So 3.162 kilogram. So you can use either this one or this one. Both will be the right one. Right? So hopefully this is clear to everyone. So the main logic is how to find the volume of hollow cylinder. Why hollow cylinder? Because the shape of pipe is hollow cylinder, right? Okay. So let us solve this question. So again, this is easy question. A right triangle ABC with side 5 cm, 12 cm and 13 cm, okay, is revolved about the side 12 cm. Okay, so we have to revolve across the side 12 cm. So this is 12 cm and this will be 5 cm and this is 13 cm because this is a right angle triangle. Find the volume of solid so obtained. So we have, first of all, you have to identify the solid form, and after identifying the solid form, we want to use the accordingly we will choose the formula. Okay, right, guys? So how will do this? So let us revolve across the 12 centimeter. So this is our axis of rotation, right? Means we have to revolve this solid like this. Okay. So in the case of revolving, what we will do? We'll basically copy this part. No? This is axis of rotation. Okay. So if we revolve this, so this part will be visible over here. Visible over here. And because of revolving, what will be the bottom view? If you revolve anything and look from the bottom one, then you will get a circular view. So in the bottom we will get a circle like this. So what is the shape? So this is a cone. So first of all you have to find the shape. So the shape will be cone. Shape will be cone. And how to find the volume of cone? 1/3 pi r square h. Right. So 1/3. What is pi? 22/7. And radius is, this will be the radius, right? So what is the radius of this cone? Radius is 5 centimeter. Height is 12 centimeter. Let us put the values. So 5 square into 12. So 3 4s are 12. 4 into 22 is 88. 5 square is 25 divided by 7. So let us multiply this. So 25 into 8 is 200, 0, and the carry is 20. 25 into 8 is 200. 200 plus 20 is 220. So 220 means 2200 divided by 7. And this will be in centimeter cube. So this will be the final answer, right? So hopefully this is clear to everyone. So in this case, first of all, you have to identify the solid obtained. Okay, accordingly we will choose the formula. So I think this is the last question, guys. Okay, yeah. How many liters of milk can a hemispherical bowl of diameter 10.5 centimeter hold? Means we have to find the capacity of the bowl. That's it. Okay. So what is the capacity? Means volume. So volume of hemisphere is 2/3 pi r cube. Diameter is 10.5. No? D is 10.5. And 10.5 is 21 by 2. So what will be the radius? 21 by 4. This will be the radius. Okay. So 2 by 3 into 22 by 7, and the radius is 21 by 4 into 21 by 4 into 21 by 4. Okay, so 7 3s are 21, this get cancelled out. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2, you will get 11, right? So it will be 11 into 21 into 21 divided by 4 into 4 is 16. So 21 into 21 is 441 divided by 16, right? So we'll get this in centimeter cube, right? So let us multiply this. So 11 ones are 11. Okay. 11 fours are 44 plus 1 is 45. 11 fours are 44. 44 plus 4 is 48. Divide by 16. Right. So let us divide by 16. So we'll get 16 3s are 48. Then 5 0 times 51. 16 3s are 48. Then 30. 16 1s are 16. Then 14 140. So 16 8s are. So this will be the final answer. No? This will be in centimeter cube. But the question is, we have to write the answer in. Everything is right now. Let us check. 2 by 3. Yes. Pi r cube 22 by 7, 21 by 4 into 21 by 4 into 21 by 4. 7 3s are 21, 2 2 get cancelled out. Then 11. So 21 into 21 is 441, right? Okay. So how will convert it into liter, guys? So we know that 1000 centimeter cube is 1 liter, right? Means 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. So how will do this? So divide by 1000. Okay. So we'll get in liter. So the capacity will be 303.18 centimeter cube, or if you want to convert it into liter, so from here 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 by 1000 liter. So we can replace this centimeter cube by 1000. Na? You can think like this. So 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 upon 1000 liter. So this much centimeter cube will be equal to 1 by multiply by 1 by 1000. So 303.18 divided by 1000. So we'll get 0.30318 liter. Okay, and please check the calculation once again. Okay, guys. So that's all for this class, guys. I have taken all type of questions. Okay, so that you can solve the remaining questions from NCERT book, right? Still, if you have any doubt, then you can write in the comment section. Our team will surely reply there. And yes, if you are new on the platform, then please like the session, share it, and also subscribe. You can join the Telegram group by using this link, which is also given in the description section, right? Description section, because you will get the PDF note of all the class over here. Beside that, you will get the schedule of all the classes in that group. Okay, so please join that group. And one more important thing, if you haven't downloaded this app, which is Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya Learning app from Play Store, then please download this. This app have amazing features, right? So if you want to explore the feature, download this. Okay, yes. So let us end the session over here. Bye, guys. Take care. Hopefully we'll meet in the next class.